The Giulio Mazzalupi Operational Excellence Award 2025 goes to Chad Chen, Hongwei Wang, and Frank Xu for using a mechanical vapor recompression system to reduce up to 90% of wastewater, creating both environmental and operational benefits for many of our remanufacturing hubs and plants around the world.
STC is a remanufacturing factory.
They are receiving the pumps from the customer side to be repaired or replaced.
And during this process, we need a lot of water to clean the parts.
After the cleaning, the water gets dirty with all kinds of particles, chemicals, and the government won't allow you to drink that kind of water directly. So they need to reduce that kind of disposal to achieve their environmental target and cost saving. That's where our MVR system jumps in and support.
我们这个产品呢是一个有创新力的产品，而且能给我们的生产、给我们的运营过程带来更多的盈利啊，就是节省更多的成本。
The difference between MVR and other evaporation technologies is that MVR can achieve the same target with less power consumption and more easy to operate, more easy to understand, and more smart to operate. You just need to push the button and the system will start, and it will evaporate and then concentrate the water. It's basically pure water, and that water can be reused, flowing back to their process. For that concentrated waste, we have a buffer tank to hold that, and then they can handle that to a third party for further disposal. SDC Langfang facility with MVR installed is really a good model for other facilities to reduce their wastewater disposal by, let's say, 85 to 90% or even more. One more important thing is, in Atlas Copco Group, they value the synergies and they encourage people inside the organization to be motivated to look for that kind of synergy opportunities. These kind of actions or ideas are highly encouraged and fully supported.